what we have here is a bird on our toaster. And it pooped. And every time we throw a ball at it, just to scare it, it flies into the window. The goal is to get him out this window. But he's flying into the window.
You gave the bird a heart attack. You killed it.
It would have fallen, Cass.
You're a terrible
It would
person.
have fallen into the toast.
Unplug the toaster. Could just turn the toaster on and let him know the scoop. Just kidding, relax.
Oh, it moved its mouth. It's talking to me.
Hi.
Speaking bird.
Don't touch that. Don't let it. Scary.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yep, I just ran.
He's not happy.
Is it still in here?
Yeah. It's so cute.
Yeah, he flew into the window like 20 times.
It's gonna kill itself eventually.
No, it's not.
Cassie should have heard the things when I woke up. Well, I'll keep them off the video, but little children have very wild imaginations. Hey, Birdie. If I throw something out the window, will you understand?
Don't throw me out the window.
Like, grab a piece of toast.
So you're gonna tell me to grab it?
No.
So you know I'm not grabbing a bird?
Grab a piece of toast.
You know, the piece that I didn't poop on.
Would it be fine to throw a penny out the window?
Now, break a piece off.
Come, bird. Come. Don't you dare think about flying, you little bird.
Is it walking?
I was going to say, break a piece off and lob it out the window so he understands what part of the window's open.
See that?
Hold
You see this toast?
Donovan, you gotta stay
Your
here.
turn.
Yes. Stop it!
Move back. Move back.
Back up.
Here, give me the whacker. No, I'm not going to electrocute the thing. I'm going to scare it.
I swear to God, if you accidentally press the button and I hurt this bird, I'm gonna hurt you.
And then Cassie's gonna make us keep it. Guys,
Yeah!
yeah!
Victory!
Victory is ours.
The bird is gone. Hopefully it'll never be seen again in our house.
That's right. There's bird poop on the toaster now.
Do you guys want to see where there's bird poop on our toaster?
It has.
I don't know if we can just clean it off. I feel like maybe we need a new toaster. I can't look at this toaster the same.
I can't either. And my toast was in it. I'm not eating my toast. Contaminated.
What a crappy start to the day.
My toast is contaminated.